We're here at the Crane Factory Flats project, which is a 69-unit, 6-story apartment building complex. It was renovated from the old Crane Hawley tool and die company from the early 20s. Apartments are all loft-style apartments with exposed ceilings, laminate floors, hardwood cabinets, and granite countertops. We started the project in early October of 2017 with a completion date of October 2018. Construction volume is approximately $10 million for us over the course of the 12 months. We're currently standing on the roof deck, which has been added and tied into the structural columns below to provide an amenity space for all tenants in the building. As you can see behind me to the south, you have a view of the skyline from the new roof deck that we are constructing. We renovated the Eggleston wall that was 20 feet high down to a 5-foot perimeter wall to allow more access visually to Mount Adams. The owner and partnership has been Brookwood Properties, who's been a new and good client for us and a great partnership throughout, while also increasing our reputation in the industry.